He is unlucky there and once again hits. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way. That is a very quick signal taken. That's hit straight to the fielder. Batsman can't find the gap. Hit straight. He is unlucky there and once again hit straight to the fielder. And he helps himself to a six. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be four. That's hit straight to the fielder. What a catch! That is brilliant bowling. The batsman had a poke at it. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for four. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but that is huge.
Pitching in line. Impact outside. Not hitting.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stand. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
That's six. He picked up the length very early. He read the length.
Not just the person.
Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4. Absolutely glorious shot, and it runs away for 4. And he helps himself to a 6. That's hit straight to the field.